we've got just a quick little thing. What's the difference between rain tires and dry tires? All right, so real quick, this is the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup, and this happens to be the 18-inch size. Smooth, 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 right? Dry tire. Treaded rain tire. Michelin again. This technology that they learn in racing translates into your road car tire. So thanks to Michelin and being a part of this at HSR with DOT Sport, and really appreciate the support they give us, and looking forward to continuing to use the tires long into the future.
Yeah, you know what? I mean, these rain tires, Michelin is amazing. And one of the benefits that some of these newer cars have is the ABS. And it's amazing to me, Colin, how you actually put heat in a rain tire. So you'll be out there, there's water. These rain tires actually work better with a little bit of water on the surface. You can absolutely burn those tires up
to zero, like that.
You know, just to nothing if it dries out too much. And I love driving in the rain. It feels like rain is kind of an equalizer.
So you're a little bit of a rain king, huh?
Oh, I'm a rain king, especially in that Turbo Cup out against the RSRs. That is just absolutely, these 944s are amazing in the rain. I love the rain.
GT3 Cups, Porsche 911 technology, and Michelin, they go hand in hand. So thanks again to Michelin.
Absolutely.